Master said he hasn't done offerings for Hungry Ghost Festival this month. He left a note for me to get it at Sheng Xiang. I reckon he is just afraid of ghosts and go out during the hours. Don't forget to follow, like, share on my clips. Your kind little gesture meant a lot to me. Master, is it really that scary to run errands alone during this period? Here I am at Sheng Xiang. Woo! Wow, the efficiency of this handsome Sheng Xiang cool.
啊，你好，什么事？你要什么？
我想要买一些东西，我要买一个玻璃，那个玻璃瓶的，还有跟剩下的钱买一抓package 的，还有一个。
Sudden audio loss due to
Okay.
Flutter network.
看到这个纸啊，这张纸啊。OK。
So many varieties of packages. Which one should I choose?
你有想要买多少钱吗？哦，OK。OK 吗？这个29块8。应该不可以。太大了，就掉了。OK， 可以。OK。
This handsome cool is really amazing. Living up with Sheng Xiang slogan. I am extremely grateful to you, handsome cool for the assistance.
哦，我看。
Uncle, don't be shy, Shylock. Hello, kitty. My name is Lick Q Assistant. Nice to meet you, meow meow. I got to go. See you, meow meow. Bye bye. Uncle's still keeping fit during this timing. Keep going.